After that, mashallah, I never imagined the red carpet treatment I got from the other countries in the world. I got offers from about 12 to 15 countries. Come and stay here, come and stay here. We'll give you this, we'll give you that. I did my survey. Previously, I traveled as a lecturer, not knowing the ins and outs. I took time and I found, according to me, the best country today, if a Muslim has to live, according to me, it is Malaysia. I can give a 1 hour lecture why Malaysia is the best country. Time doesn't permit me. And I said that. Number one, Malaysia is away from the war zone. You know, Gulf country now, war zone, Yemen, Syria, war is going on. Number two, it is not under the clutches of the Western power like America, etc. Number three, according to me, the best non-Arab country in the world in which Muslims are the most practicing, according to me, is Malaysia. An average Muslim in Malaysia is a better practicing Muslim than an average Muslim of India or average Muslim of Pakistan or average Muslim of Bangladesh. And this is my own research. And I can give you proofs. Dr. Zakir Naik always preaches with proof. On average, if you see in Malaysia, in India, how many people pray 5 times a day? How many? Not less than 10%, some surveys say less than 5%. How many people pray 5 times in a mosque? Less than 2%. Same in Pakistan, same in Bangladesh. In Malaysia, mashallah, according to me, more than 50% pray 5 times a day. In a mosque, more than 25%. You go to the mall, there are people praying in the mosque. So as a practice in Muslim, except non-Arab countries, Gulf is a different thing, Saudi Arabia is a different thing. The best non-Arab practicing Muslim country is Malaysia. Point number 3. Point number 4, the federal religion of this country, Malaysia, is Islam. Point number 5, in most of the countries, in most of the states of Malaysia, where Raja is there, a Muslim can propagate to a non-Muslim, or non-Muslim can't propagate to a Muslim. Point number 6, the government funds the mosques and the Islamic activities like Baitul Mal, there is Zakat. And you see, every mosque, now the new mosque coming to Gufran Mosque, the mosque is there, there's a basement, there is a place for the imam, there is a place, auditorium, you go to Kuel Mosque, beautiful. You don't find this in other parts of the world. Point number 7, the country which has the best Islamic economic system, that interest-free banking, it's in Malaysia. In terms of quantity, Saudi Arabia is number 1. But in terms of number, in terms of value of dollars, Saudi Arabia is number 1. Malaysia is number 2. Saudi Arabia 25%, Malaysia 17% of the economy. But in terms of banking system, the easy facility of riba-free banking, it is Malaysia number 1. Every bank has an Islamic Sharia, an interest-free account. Alhamdulillah. There is takaful, there is insurance, and I can go on and go on. Time is short. Next point is, Malaysia is a beautiful country. The scenery, the tourism is excellent. You can go to different parts. And tomorrow I'll be trying to Langkawi, mashallah. It was rated as one of the halal tourism. Alhamdulillah. In terms of living, the percentage, the expenditure in Malaysia, the standard of living is good. The expenditure is less as compared to the Gulf country. Malaysia, mashallah, is an economically strong country. Now, because of pandemic, most of the countries are down. That's a different thing. And the list is long. Time doesn't permit me. So I chose Malaysia.